welcome back to Nisha Be Cooking. Today I'm making fried chicken wings with a Thai-inspired chili wing sauce. I have this kind, which I use from the bottle, from the International Owl at Kroger's, and then the do-it-yourself kit right here. So, if you want to impress somebody and put a little spin on your fried chicken wings, this is an awesome way to do it. Alright, let's get to it. So, as you see, I already have my seasoned chicken. I let it marinate for about 15-20 minutes. And you just season it like you regularly season your chicken. Like me, I usually add pepper, but these are the seasonings I chose today. And then I added some rosemary. Bam, bam, bam. This is what makes it really stand out, you guys. And then, so obviously, you're gonna, when you're frying, use some flour. Toss it in there. I don't like wasting flour, so I ain't got time to be doing all that fancy stuff they be doing in the chef and on the TV. You know, I'm on a budget here. So, at the end, I'm going to add this to it, like I kind of did the ribs, if you ever watched that video. Or you can try to make it yourself. So, I know a lot of people are some DIY type. So, I'm going to mix some hot sauce, a little hot sauce. Put some water, just a little bit. Bring that to a small simmer. Add your honey. Because this is what? Kind of like an Asian zing style from like Buffalo Wild Wings. I personally like Asian zing wings. Because it's like a sweet and sour type of sauce. And then I've already cut up some garlic over here. Used 1 clove. And add a little garlic. I probably won't use all of that. And this is a nice fresh way to spice up your wings at home. You don't have to buy hot wings from the store every time you want hot wings. Like, you can make it at home. You can spice up. It's ready. Let drain. Alright, so with this, just pour it in kind of like I did the barbecue sauce. If you are subscribed to the show. I am going to do all but 1 piece of chicken because I want to save that one for something else. And you just mix really good. Pull a wing stop on them. If you're interested in how I made my fried barbecue ribs, that video is on my channel as well. It's called Fried Barbecue Ribs. Go check it out. Y'all ready for the magic? It looks, oh my God, look at that. Come close here. Look at that. It looks like it's something from like a restaurant. It looks like honey seared. So good looking. Oh my God. So now I'm just tossing the wings with the do-it-yourself sauce, the hot sauce mixed with the honey and the garlic and the teensy bits of water. Woo! Now these might be a little bit spicier than the other chili sauce that we have, but you did it yourself, first of all. And secondly, you can have like a wing platter. Imagine coming to Valentine's Day with different flavors of wings for your man. Ooh, he gonna love you that night, girl. All right. And then the spicy ones could be for the adults. The mild ones for the kids. I mean, any occasion, y'all. The spread, you can have hot wings, mild wings, made by you. I mean, this is so versatile, you know. And it looks delicious. And you did it. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you.